geothermal disebutnya WKP wilayah kerja pengelolaan pengusahaan. Di sini WKP-nya WKP Pengalengan.
Sebenarnya dulu emiten area negara film
diinginkan agar bisa kita gunakan lagi akhirnya untuk produksi.
Di sini saya dan juga Pak Reza perwakilan
setelahnya baru kita kembali ke base camp Fieldtrip dengan instruksi.
Come up here, first of all, because it's so close to places like Bandung, but also so remote. And I really like the weather. I think it's amazing, and it's really interesting to see how the plant, the pembangkit listrik, is integrated into the landscape. And there's these big pipes moving through this town and through these plantations, and the people still working around. I think that's very interesting. I was really excited to see the new well, to go up onto the rig. And to see, like, go up close to the rig, to the drill, and see all that. That was really interesting and exciting to get close to that. And it was also, I've never been inside of a power plant, inside of a pembangkit listrik. I've been to, like, I've seen small hydroelectric system generators in like desas and kampungs in Jawa, like in tempat pedesaan di Jawa. But yeah, I've never seen a big one like this. It was really interesting to see that this big machine that is, when I go home to Bandung or to Jakarta and I turn the lights on, it's like, this is like part of what is up here on this mountain in this very loud building, gedung yang berisik banget. There is like my light, my power, my life is kind of coming from it. It's very interesting.
Oke, pertama saya ucapkan terima kasih nih. Ini kali pertama saya pengalaman visit ke geothermal. Sebelumnya belum pernah ngerasain seperti ini. Lihat suasana, lingkungan, amazing, adem. Dan harapannya next kalau event-event seperti ini lebih di-share, baik itu di online atau di LinkedIn. Ini akan jauh lebih bermanfaat, terutama bagi teman-teman nih yang penasaran dan ingin join di sini. Good luck, sukses terus.
ITB International Geothermal Workshop.
International Geothermal Workshop.
Salam geothermal.